Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I have a super quick video today. I just want to show you guys the hauls that I have been getting the last 2 days. This is gonna be super quick. I just want to show you. So most of it is all right here in this pile. Yeah, so this was not on clearance, but I grabbed myself some Pro Mix while I was at Walmart today. So let's just start there. So Walmart has a ton of stuff on clearance right now. It's the time to shop. If you need things, go to your local stores, check for clearance. So I got this bag of worm casings. It wasn't like a huge discount. So if we can zoom in, the original price was $5.98 and it was 98 cents off. So it's not a huge discount, but I needed some worm casings, and so I just grabbed these super quick. Okay, so I did a video a few weeks back about installing lights around the garden, and I grabbed this box, the 6-pack box, for $3, which makes them half off, because they're $1 if you just buy them individually. So good find. And then they had some orchid mix, which I love this potting mix. It is one of my favorites to use when making my own soil. So I take my Pro Mix or whichever kind of soil I have at the time, as this will be the base. I use this to add in to make it more barky, have some more drainage. And then I also have perlite that I use in my mixture. And then I also have vermiculite in the garage that I use to, based on whatever type of plant I'm planting, I will mix up accordingly to what that plant needs. So I love having these extra bags around to use for mixing up my plants. So the next thing I got, I think that's it for Walmart. So then I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree that I thought was super cute. They've got all their fall stuff out. So I've got these cute little pumpkins, and they have clips on them so you can clip them places, which I thought was super cute. And then they've got their velvety pumpkins in, which are so cute. I love these. These are all going into this room to decorate. And then we've got some glittery pumpkins. Let's see this one. Super cute. And I'll do another video when I do a plant tour in there, and you guys will be able to see where I put these. And then they have these clay ones, which are actually pretty heavy. They're kind of paperweight like heavy, so they're pretty cute. Let me see, I got a green one, so cute. Let me see, and then they had some LEDs, and these ones are the shape of leaves. And then I got another clay pumpkin. So cute. I can't wait to decorate that room in there. It's trying to get all my plants inside from outside. So I've got most of everything in this room taken in, except for a few things that I'm treating for spider mites, which are over there and over that way. And there's a plant there. So I'm almost ready to do my tour in that room. Not yet. Okay, so I went to Burlington. And I used to work at Burlington back when I was in high school years and years ago. So I have, it's rare that I get to this store these days. But so I found this tea kettle, which is not really like home. Well, it is homey, home decor-ish. So our current tea kettle, well, we don't have one right now, and it broke, got rusted. And so I found this on clearance, and it is heavy duty. It's a solid tea kettle, so I can't wait to use it because we love tea. And then I found these cute mugs from Burlington. Come on, buddy. Look how cute this is. So cute. I love these. And this is the price. Where is it? You gotta focus, guy. Come on, help me out. So $3.99. Super cute. Alright, let's check out the other one. So excited about these because I have been wanting to add to my mug collection with some fall mugs. So look at this. Hey boo, so cute. Super cute. Same price as the other one, $3.99. There it is. Yeah, so cute. I love those. So I have one more thing to show you guys, and it's from Lowe's. And I'm so excited because I was gonna get these anyway, so let me show you. So Lowe's had mums for $1. These guys are in, what is this? Like a gallon, not a gallon. Let me see. How big is this? Okay, 3 quarts. 3-quart pots. So these were $1 each, and in another video I mentioned not to buy mums when they are in bloom, to look for mums that are in bud. And yes, absolutely do that, but I could not pass up $1 mums, so I tried to find the ones that had a lot more buds than bloom and then weren't in just horrific condition. So super excited. The lady actually even gave me an even further discount. I ended up paying just like $6 for all of these. I got 6 of them, and they were supposed to be $1 each, so she gave me a little bit of discount on the tax, I'm guessing. So yeah, they're really pretty. I like the color. We've got a lot of buds still, and I'm actually going to try to overwinter one and see how it goes, because with mums you have to plant them early in the year to be able to give them time to establish prior to winter. I don't know if that's all varieties of mums, but I know that at a garden center, they told me that you have to plant mums very early for them to establish. So I'm gonna try to keep one over winter inside and see how it goes. If that works for me, I'll be doing that. I'll be doing it again year after year, and because I really like having mums. And I would love to have some that just stay in the garden and come back every year. I think that would be really cool. Oh, look at the bloom on this one. It's a little different. Got a little mix of color. Pretty. So I told you I keep it short. That was pretty short for me. So let me know if you guys have any questions about what I got today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Happy fall!